Alright, so today's Punchy Garage episode, I'm going to be doing the logo on this door to complement the stripe I did yesterday. But first, the owner of the bus is here with his Porsche kit car. We're trying to figure out how to get this soft top put on correctly. Two Porsche newbies. Can they do it? Pretty sweet little kit car right here. Deep dish Porsche rims, front and back. These cars were so basic back then.
I know, right?
It's great. You pop the engine bay at all?
Yeah.
Check out the air-cooled motor in this thing. Damn, thing is nice. So the red choices on both of these vehicles weren't intentional, right? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's the fan shrouds matching red. That's nice. Got the duals on there. Pretty clean under here. How's she run? Run strong?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Idle's good?
Yeah, let's take it for a ride.
Cool. Yeah, let's take it for a ride. The Porsche for a ride. Test drive. Ooh. My first supercar. That's as fast as my Bug. Which I don't know if fast would be the right name, the right description for a Volkswagen air-cooled motor. Boy, how do you do this? I don't know how to drive stick. It's the same shift pattern as reverse. Very nice. Ooh, brakes are pretty touchy. I'm not used to that. I'm used to the Bug where I gotta put the pedal all the way down to the floorboard to get any brakes. Oh, I must have went in third. Fourth, actually. Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to chop the top off the Bug, I think. Oh man, it's easy to drop in this fourth gear for first. Yeah. Very cool. That's a fun little car. That's a little bit more fun than the Bug is, I'll be honest. We need to go get a video with this and the Bug now. Get some rolling shots and stuff. You want to throw the top up or no? It looks good there. Another day, another air cooled at Punchy's Garage. Alright, so I'm gonna jump into this logo now that that's done. And I'll either include it on this video. I don't think this video is long enough to not include the logo, so. Alright, we'll see.